In this video, I'm going to show you how to enter and exit the recovery mode on Nothing Phone 3a. So if you want to go to the recovery mode, first we can press power button and volume up in order to show the power menu, and we need to turn off our phone. You can also go to quick settings, and in the bottom right corner we have the power button, and we can power off our phone like this as well. Once the phone is completely off, we can press and hold the power button and volume up button, and we need to hold like this until we see the Nothing logo. So once you see the Nothing logo, you can release both buttons, and shortly after that, we will see this no command with the Android. So what we need to do now is press and hold the power button first, and then once you hold it, press volume up. And now we can release the power button as well. And now we are in the Android recovery mode, and we can navigate over here by using volume up and volume down, and we confirm our selected option by pressing the power button. So that's pretty much it. Now if you want to exit the recovery mode, you can simply choose the reboot system now option, and like I said, we can confirm by pressing the power button. If you do so, your phone will restart once again, and this time you're gonna go back to the normal mode. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!